Hey everyone, so I'm back in the shop this week. Yay! This is just going to be a quick video. This is going to be me making some ebonizing solution. Now the good thing with ebonizing solution is it's really easy to make and it's pretty much rust. So the thing is with that is you can kill two birds with one stone. You can make your ebonizing solution, which will turn your wood nice and dark, and the other thing is you can de-rust some tools as well. So just quick, let's go and do that. Okay, what you are going to need is a glass jar. Ta-da! Here's one I prepared earlier, preferably without a lid. You're going to need some white vinegar, preferably cheap, as you are not going to put this on your chips later. No, this will go on your wood chips. I made a funny. Oh, dad jokes are getting bad. And of course, your rusty tools and maybe some steel wool. So, all you're simply going to do is put your vinegar into there, like so. Pop in your rusty tools. And you can throw in your steel wool. Like I said, ebonizing solution is pretty much anything. Well, it's rust. Yeah, so what you're going to do is basically pop all your rusty objects, your steel wool can decompose. So after a few days, what you want to do is pull out your tools, give them a wipe over, nice wash, and then keep the steel wool, can't freaking talk at the moment, keep the steel wool in there for another week or so, and yeah, it should be good to go. So yes, shove some more in there. There it goes. So yeah, once you've done this, set it aside and go turn something or make something, or well, whatever really. There's chocolate. There we go. There, it's full. All that'll do is the acidity in the vinegar will start decomposing. Well, it'll take the rust first, and then it'll eat the steel wool. Yeah, and make some nice solution, which I will use in some of my future videos. Now that's done, set it aside somewhere and go from there. There it is. That's where it'll sit for probably the next week. And then what I'll do in another video is I'll strain the liquid from whatever's solid in the bottom and we'll have our solution. Thanks for watching.
This is my shop supervisor Loki. He's a hard taskmaster, don't you? He's probably saying, Dad, why does it smell like vinegar in here? Oh, the other thing he's probably saying is, it smells like vinegar in here, where's the fish and chips? Hey? Yeah. Just like all supervisors, they're a bit impartial to fish and chips. Fish and chips, hey? Yep.